up, guys? We're back finally for another video. Today we got the SI. So honestly, like, so far out of the 25,000 miles, I've never had any problems with it, except one little tiny problem that I've been dealing with so far. The pads, the brake pads, have been getting worn out, and I think it's time to replace them for something stronger. I feel like track pads would be great. Well, street track pads, I think that'll be good. Probably the Hawks something. I don't know what the fuck they're called, but yeah, we're gonna do those. I'm gonna also, over the couple months to a year, I'm gonna be doing a track build for this car. We're gonna get coilovers. We're gonna get what's it called? Wheel and tire setup, track performance ones. We're also gonna do a little LED headlight module changes. We might do a little extra tune. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, this car has a lot of potential. I mean, even if I do blow the engine up, I'm probably gonna put a B series or a K series in here. We'll see. So shit, that car's loud. Damn. GMC, the shittiest fucking car in America. He wants to fucking come here. Come on, buddy, come here. I just want to talk to you guys about how much of a potential this chassis has. I'm not talking about the engine, I'm talking about the chassis itself. So as you can see on the highway, I went 132 kilometers an hour, like planted. The car it didn't move an inch. It's so planted to the ground that obviously, like, I can only imagine what it feels like if I do a little track setup for it with the coilovers and everything else that I do to it. So for the tires I'm planning to run for the summer is probably going to be like the Continental, the Sport 02s. Those ones I heard really good reviews on, so probably gonna do that setup. We'll see. Car just keeps climbing up and up, especially when you go into the rev range, get higher in it. It just keeps on pulling. This car is something I believe they won't be able to recreate ever, especially if they choose to go the electric route over the couple years. I can't assume that they can ever replicate this. Like, what do they need to do to top this? I don't understand what they can do. Or like something that, I don't know, the potential that will eventually stop at some point, you know? This car just glues to the ground. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. These are regular Pilot Sports. Oh no, sorry. They're Goodyears, and they're the all-season ones. They're the ones that come from Honda like this. And so far, they've been holding up really, really well. I haven't changed these all-seasons for, I believe, 26,000 miles. And yeah, they've been performing so well. I think I'm going to keep these all-seasons for the winter while I put those Performance Cup Continental Sport O2s for the summer. I think that'll be a good plan. I don't think I'm gonna get winter tires because I believe it's just a waste of money. All seasons just do the job, so. What a kind citizen. I think one extra thing I'm going to do for my track build for this car is probably get a performance intercooler, just so I can keep the car a little bit more cool, especially when I'm going to be doing endurance races. But other than that, the car is fantastic. And it's fairly cheap to build. Alright guys, thank you for watching my short little video. Yeah, this car is an amazing platform to build on. It's honestly all you need. Well, again, for track days only. You want something fast, get a German. But this is phenomenal to start building for a track car, so that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, stay tuned. More uploads coming soon, especially on the build. Like, comment, subscribe, use protection. You know, as always, take care.